Oh my god. If you're from the age of 18 to 35 and want to learn how to surf but think you're too old, stop it. Instead of spending a large sum of money just on one private lesson in freezing cold water like this, you should just book a one-week surf camp in a tropical island, and trust me, you'll learn how to surf in a really short amount of time. And I am tired of the snow, so let me take you to the best surf camp in Bali. Or is it? We will find out together. We just arrived at the surf camp and I haven't slept for 24 hours. I desperately need a cup of coffee. Fortunately, the place don't have oat milk. I'll just watch my friend to drink hers with hot milk then.
What's the Wi-Fi password?
It's literally called Love Place.
Love place.
That means lots of people blossom here. You get 2 twin beds, but they have king bed also. You get desk if you work online, this is perfect. And damn, this bathroom is insane. It's the same size of the whole room. They really want to make sure you remember to shower here. So now let's try go surfing.
It is 7 o'clock right now, and
I'm number 10. Let's go check out the board.
I think it's a good size.
So they have lots of boards here. You can tell there's mid-length, not really short board. I feel like if you want a short board, you probably need to bring your own board. But they do have long board. Look at this. If you want to go to a surf camp with aesthetic, this is it. Look at how cute all this color is. It will look great on your Instagram.
So this is schedule board where all the activities in camp will be present. This one in the left side is the surfing schedule. For the right side is activity other than surfing. For the surfing schedule will be renewed every day. For tomorrow, I will inform you the latest this afternoon around 6 p.m. or 7 p.m.
He literally just melt that so it will fit.
Why? That's crazy.
That's something called practical. I'm excited. I never ride pintail before, so I think when you turn it'll be fun.
The beach, and you can see it's kind of small but kind of fun.
I'm super excited because I've been surfing for 5 years, but still I'm not a great surfer, especially shortboarding. I can barely do really nice turn. So it'll be nice that because today they're gonna videotape and then they will have a video coach later, so you can tell exactly what you need to improve.
Okay, how do you feel?
I have no emotion.
Why?
I'm a bit scared of jellyfish. This is really good. So the breakfast and coffee here are included.
Oh, thank you. The little heart.
The souvenir on the board is quite nice. There are more because you bring small boards.
It is the 3rd day I'm at the surf camp, and this is the 2nd time I take the surf lesson. Today I'm going to try a smaller board today, but there's no fin here. So let's try to change the fin. It is 7 right now. It's quite early. Everyone's already wake up, ready to surf. One thing I learned about the surf camp from yesterday is it's just way too chill. So like even though the surf lesson started 7:30, we didn't get into the water until 10:30 or 10 I think. We surf about an hour and then we come back in again. But then it's about 12 when we get back here. So I feel like kind of crazy that how people wake up so early and don't get to surf until later on. So the front desk girl is super nice. She just bring her own board. This is different fins, yeah. I have this fin in my suitcase too, but this board only do future. Bye. So the condition right now, the tide is a little bit too low, but I do have a meeting at 10, so I probably won't make it. So instead of going to surf with the group today, I'm just going to take a go jack and go home. Bye.
Judi tidak ubah mukanya. Belum menang jangan selesai.
Yes. So how to say how much is again? 25. Oh, I have 5. I think 5 maybe.
Bikin kudeta.
5. Thank you. Now we go home. I love coffee, and great things about the surf camp is they do have their own espresso machine. They have an outdoor bar service that they offer coffee in the morning. So the only downside is I am lactose intolerant, and if you come to Indonesia and most of the island, when you ask them you want oat milk, they probably don't have it, but they do have almond milk most of the time and coconut milk. Unpopular opinion, but I hate how coconut milk go with coffee. It just makes coffee more sour and it just tastes really strong. I've been asking them if I can get coffee with almond milk, but unfortunately, they make their own almond milk starting from scratch. This is the 3rd day I live here. Let's try and see if I can get coffee with milk. Hi, sorry. Can I have a latte? Do you have almond milk? No. A little bit, just a little bit. Oat milk, just a little bit, just a little bit. That's so sweet.
Is this special for you?
Oh, thank you. Oh, this is so pretty. Yadi, thank you so much. Our little secret. We have to find a pretty place to consume this one and only oat milk, because technically it's illegal. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. The sun is out, so let's break the heart. Whoa, wow, it really hits. So the surf spot today, it's like a semi, so there's rocks, but also there's like sand. So it's a lot more waves and a lot more fun. Because yesterday I caught only 3 waves, but today I caught more than 3. But my surfboard is broken, so we have to go fix it. Oh, that's
Yay! Welcome to Sea Vlog.
Wow, this is so sick. So he's so nice. He drives all the way just so I can fix the board. The whole time I thought he'd give me a ride because the surf shop is on his way. But the fact he still took me to fix my board, that's so kind. He just grabbing food right next to the surf camp, but he still give me a ride. People are so sweet here. Bye-bye. My angel. My angel. Okay, so he's here now. I'm a little bit late. Let's go. I'm so excited. Hi.
I'm Teddy, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, so hot.
I know you waited for a long time. I'm sorry. Oh, he does a lot more bigger step. Your step's a lot more bigger.
1, 2, 3, 4. So on this board it's a bit hard because it's moved a lot.
Yeah.
Maybe the real board is going to be a bit easier. So when you do cross stepping, try to not look down. So look forward. But on this one it's a bit hard because it's moved a lot. You know?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Your step is not same size, all of them. Sometimes you're doing big and small, big and small. So you have to be same size.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was perfect.
Yeah. Keep going. There.
There.
Perfect.
Yeah, that was good.
This is our DP today. Coin time. Coin time. So I just come back from surfing. It was really hard, to be honest. The whole time I'm just trying to survive out there. If you're trying to learn how to nose ride, definitely bring your own board. The whole session I was just trying to get used to the board. I was so nervous, and I never been to that surf spot either. I don't even know where to sit, to be honest. Also, the condition wasn't at the best. The condition was extremely windy and it was high tide, so it was barely breaking. I was lucky enough that instructor actually tried to push me a couple times so I can catch the waves. The whole time I wasn't really using what he taught me to get better. I was just trying to survive out there and not lose the board. Did I learn anything from the class? 100%. After this class, I learned that my number one homework is actually just be chill. Learn how to relax. To be a good longboard, a really good note is just relax. Because once you relax, the style comes. Another tip I learned is to walk exactly same size. Even though I didn't try to do it today, I would take this knowledge to me back home to California. So yeah, thank you so much again to tune in this progression video. Let me know if you're trying nose riding and if any of this thing helped you. I will see you next time. It is 5 a.m. right now. It's crazy, like people are just so nice here. So the shaper who fixed my surfboard in under like 4 hours yesterday, he dropped off the surfboard personally, and then when I put the board in my surfboard bag, I realized that, damn it, my surfboard actually does not fit in my surfboard bag. He asked me when I'm leaving tomorrow, which is today. I told him that I have to leave by 6. So he is coming right now, which is 5 a.m. to bring me a surfboard back. That's crazy, people are just so nice. I asked him, I can pay you, like what should I do? He said no. Thank you so much. Thank you. Say that. You're so cute. Kiss bye. Please, I just got my coffee. I don't know why I love my eyes. Okay, so let's see what we got. I ordered a latte with espresso just because I am addicted to caffeine. This is something they do really cute. They put like tapes on top of it so the scooter driver won't spill the coffee. So this is a coffee latte. And then see the milk. This is too much milk for me. Okay, and now we'll get an espresso to make it darker. Now it's perfect. Oh, but I wish it's darker. This is so good. This costs about 100k Indonesian rupiah, so it's less than $7. Now I go work before I pack. This is... You work out by 5. Okay, it's good? Okay, yeah. Drive safe, okay? Bye-bye. Right now we have 15 minutes. Let's pack everything. Oh, it's kind of bad, but let's do it. Let's do one last check. Okay, I didn't lose anything.
Okay, here's my summary for the surf camp. I do think this is a great surf camp. Like, they do have good surf lessons if you go to the right surf instructor. They have different surf instructor, but I do feel like the first couple of days, the surf instructor I went with, I felt like the vibe is more like they're just trying to like drag the hours. It doesn't feel like you're actually learning much, but the second one will actually get to surf more. So I do think that if you're a total beginner, this is a great surf camp because they do push you. The goal for you is just catch as many waves as possible. However, I don't think this is a great camp for advanced surfers unless you go to the right instructor. When I went to the advanced surf class, I get to just surf by myself or with the teacher, and I get to surf more than 2 or 3 hours, which is super sick.